Today I'm going to go on a road trip, and I thought this would be a great time to share some of my favorite snacks that are low carb and keto for the drive over there. I love having easy to grab, easy to drink, low carb, and healthy items for the drive. First up is this all-natural uncured pepperoni with no nitrates. I love grabbing pepperoni when I'm on the go. It's just super quick and easy. They have 1 net carb per 9 slices, so I'm going to make sure I bring this along. Now I'm going to include my favorite foods, which is Tomek medium cheddar cheese. I'm so obsessed with this, and it only has 1 net carb per 1 ounce. And I'm not going to measure out an ounce, I'm just going to do like 1 slice. So I'm the girl that never liked seaweed until I actually tried this. So this is a roasted seaweed snack in the flavor wasabi, and it's just crispy and delicious and kind of salty and has a great wasabi flavor. And I believe it only has 1 net carb, so super good option for on the go. I'm also going to include on this road trip a Quest protein bar. These only have 4 grams of net carbs, which is really great. And this flavor is cookie dough, but actually my favorite one is white chocolate raspberry, but I already ate all of them. So I'm just going to bring this along, but I would definitely check out that other flavor. So I feel like any road trip is not complete without some nuts. So I chose to bring along these blue diamond almonds in the flavor wasabi. This is just the flavor I had on hand, but I would probably bring any almonds I already had. These have 3 grams of net carbs for 28 nuts. So I think this is a really good bang for your buck when it comes to carbs. Okay guys, this is one of my favorite little tricks for on the go. This is the Skinny Pop popcorn, and it's organic. It's the sea salt flavor, and I got this big bag from Costco, but you can also find it on Amazon. So what's really great is that for 3 3/4 cups of popcorn, there's only 10 net carbs. So if I only put about 1 cup, then I'm actually not even eating that many carbs, and it's super delicious. So for breakfast on the go, I love these organic hard-boiled eggs from Costco. They are cage-free and already peeled. They have 0 net carbs, or actually 0 carbs altogether, great amount of protein, and 4 grams of fat, and the serving size is 1 egg. I find this to be just a really great breakfast item for on the go or on the road. One of my favorite drink options is the Amino Vitamins Drink Enhancer. This just can get poured into a to-go cup, and it has 0 carbs, and this flavor is so delicious. I absolutely love it. Here is a keto and low carb energy drink. This is the brand Bang in the flavor cotton candy. This is really delicious and something I've been trying for a while. It has 0 everything. It's a diet drink, 0 carbs, 0 fat, everything like that. I would just be cautious that when you do drink energy drinks, just be aware that there's a lot of caffeine in them. So I try to make this last for the whole day, and it does a really good job of extending my energy levels for the whole road trip. So this is perfect for road trips, and you actually can find them in a lot of gas stations, but I also can find them on Amazon.com. So this would be a great option. Another energy drink option is this Essential Amino Energy. I got this one from Costco. You can also get it online. I will make sure to link everything down below. But this is really delicious. This is in the flavor blueberry lemonade, and I really do like the ingredients. I believe there is only 1 net carb for 2 scoops, which is the serving size, and this also extends my energy throughout the whole day. So this would be great just to bring in a water bottle. Lastly, as a dessert, I'm going to bring along this Russell Stover sugar-free mint patty. These are super delicious. I think they have about 1 net carb. Here is everything all together. This looks delicious, and I cannot wait to eat it on the road. To make this easy to grab in the car, I'm going to place everything that does not have its own package in this plastic container. And then the things that are packaged, I'm just going to place in a little cloth bag. So I'm going to make sure to grab all these items and go on my road trip. I am so grateful for everyone who has watched this video, and I hope this helps you guys out on your next road trip. Please give this video a thumbs up, and please make sure to subscribe.